As DILG Secretary, Jesse Robredo assisted the President in the exercise of general supervision over local governments. Robredo also advised the President in the promulgation of policies on public order and safety. Robredo held such a powerful position in the government, but despite this power, Robredo was a regular husband and father. According to his widow, Attorney Leni Robredo, the Secretary was more concerned about the studies of his children than his confirmation by the Commission on Appointments.
I started the novena today for your confirmation hearing. Sabi ko tamang-tama ang ika-9 days, yung hearing mismo on a Wednesday. Yung sagot niya po sa akin, ay wag mo na yung ipagdasal. Sabi niya, okay na, kahit hindi ako makonfirm, okay lang yun. Sabi niya, ipagdasal mo na lang yung midterms ng anak mo kasi magme-midterms na.
Robredo was a family man who loved his home very much. That's why his widow said, Naga City would forever be the home of Robredo.
We feel very honored na inoffer yung libigan ng mga bayani, but we are very sure that Jess would prefer to be buried here. Naga has always been his home. He always tells me this is his happy place.
Attorney Leni Robredo said it's difficult to lose a husband, a father, a brother. But she said they have to be strong because that's what the Secretary would have wanted.
Kami kasi alam namin na ito yung ginusto ng Diyos. Wala naman kami magagawa kung hindi tanggapin. Si Jess all through his life, parati niya sinasabi na kung anong nakatakda, yun yung mangyayari. When the accident happened, maluwag sa kalooban kong tanggapin na yun yung nakatakda para sa kanya.
The widow of Secretary Robredo also thanked his aide, June Abrazado, for serving her husband well. Attorney Leni Robredo thanked Abrazado for surviving.
May mga nababasa ako against him, pero who is ever prepared for a plane crash, di ba? We do not expect him na isalba niya yung asawa ko at siya mamamatay. Kung ano man yung nangyari doon, instinct yun at sinabi ko nga kanina, yun yung nakatakda.
For People's Television, Leo Gatdula.